$100. It doesn't seem like much, does it? In Shanghai, a sprawling metropolis of over 24 million people, it feels even smaller, almost insignificant. The city pulses with energy, a whirlwind of commerce and culture where every corner tells a story. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, a testament to China's economic boom, reflecting the city's rapid growth and ambition. But beneath this glittering facade lies another Shanghai, one that is often overlooked. A Shanghai where $100 must be carefully stretched, where every yuan counts, and every purchase is a calculated decision. This is the Shanghai we aim to navigate, to understand how far $100 can truly go in a city of millions. It's a challenge, no doubt, but one that reveals the true cost of living in such a dynamic city. But it's also an opportunity to experience a different side of the city, to connect with its resilient spirit, and to see how people make the most of what they have. To see the ingenuity and resourcefulness that flourishes when resources are limited, and to appreciate the vibrant life that thrives in every corner of Shanghai. Let's start with the essentials: food, accommodation, and transportation. These are the three pillars that will shape your experience in Shanghai. Food in Shanghai can be surprisingly affordable, especially if you stick to local eateries and street food stalls. The variety is immense and the flavors are rich and diverse. A hearty bowl of noodles can be had for as little as 10 yuan, about $1.50. This is a staple meal that will keep you energized throughout the day. Steamed buns, dumplings, and savory pancakes offer cheap and delicious sustenance. These street foods are not only budget-friendly, but also give you a taste of local culture. Accommodation is where things get tricky. Finding a place to stay that fits your budget and comfort level can be a bit of a challenge. Hostels can be found for around 50 yuan, roughly $7 per night, but they're often crowded and basic. These are ideal for backpackers and those looking to save money. For a private room, you're looking at least double that price. This option offers more privacy and comfort, making it suitable for those who need a bit more space. Public transportation is efficient and inexpensive. The metro system is extensive, covering most parts of the city, making it easy to get around. A single ride on the metro costs between 3 and 7 yuan, which is about 50 to 90 cents, depending on the distance. This makes it a cost-effective way to explore the city without breaking the bank. To make your $100 last, you'll need to be savvy. Cooking your meals is significantly cheaper than eating out. Visit local markets for fresh produce, tofu, and meat, which are all very affordable. Look for deals and discounts. Many restaurants offer lunch specials at reduced prices. Take advantage of free activities. Shanghai is home to numerous parks, temples, and historical sites that are free to enter. Walk or bike whenever possible. Not only is it free, but it's also a great way to experience the city at street level. Free Shanghai, exploring the city on a shoestring. Despite its reputation as an expensive city, Shanghai offers plenty of free and cheap things to do. From historical landmarks to serene parks, there's something for everyone without breaking the bank. Wander along the Bund, the iconic waterfront promenade, and marvel at the futuristic skyline of Pudong across the Huangpu River. This area is perfect for a leisurely stroll, people watching and capturing stunning photos. Explore the narrow alleys and traditional courtyard houses of the former French concession. This area is rich in history and offers a glimpse into Shanghai's colonial past with its unique blend of Eastern and Western architecture. Visit the Jade Buddha Temple, home to 2 exquisite Jade Buddha statues. This serene temple provides a peaceful retreat from the bustling city and offers a chance to experience local religious practices. Escape the urban hustle in one of Shanghai's many parks, such as Fuxing Park or Century Park. These green spaces are perfect for a relaxing afternoon, whether you're looking to have a picnic, read a book, or simply enjoy the natural surroundings. For a taste of local life, spend an afternoon at People's Park, where you can observe locals practicing Tai Chi, playing cards, and socializing. This park is a hub of community activity and offers a unique insight into the daily lives of Shanghai residents. The limits of frugality, cultural considerations. While it's possible to survive on a shoestring budget in Shanghai, there are certain cultural aspects that can be difficult to experience without spending money. Tea houses, for example, are an integral part of Shanghainese culture, but they often come with a price tag. Attending a traditional Chinese opera or acrobatic performance can also be costly. Socializing in Shanghai often revolves around food and drink. Joining friends for dinner or drinks can quickly eat into a tight budget. It's important to be mindful of these cultural norms and to find ways to participate without overspending. How long can you really last? So, how long can one realistically survive in Shanghai on $100? With careful budgeting and a bit of luck, it's possible to stretch it to 3 or 4 days. This would involve staying in a budget hostel, eating mostly street food, cooking some meals, and utilizing public transportation and walking. Of course, this is just a rough estimate. Your mileage may vary depending on your spending habits, your choice of accommodation, and your willingness to embrace a frugal lifestyle. $100 perspective. Living on $100 in Shanghai is a challenge, but it's not impossible. It requires resourcefulness, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace a different pace of life. It's a reminder that happiness isn't solely determined by the size of your wallet. It's about finding joy in simple pleasures, connecting with people, and appreciating the richness of everyday experiences. In a city as vibrant and dynamic as Shanghai, $100 can offer a unique perspective, a glimpse into the lives of ordinary people and the resilience of the human spirit.